Now, onto the snow foam. pH neutral product.
Smells amazing.
Yeah, it does. Do you want to pronounce how the Germans call the
Papa.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
Papa something.
So this pH neutral, as we've said, it's quite a thick foam, this.
It is, yeah.
So I quite like.
Depending on your dilution. So this time of year, with your gentle snow foam, to give that a little bit more bite, a little bit more kick, get rid of some of that road grime, 25-30ml of Green Star in with a snow foam, just to give it a kick.
I love this product. Universal cleaner.
Does everything.
It literally does do everything. My wife uses it in the house.
Yeah, depending on dilution, mate. You can use it for kitchen floors, you can do it for fabrics, you can do it pre-wash for engine bays. Literally from 10 to 1 to 80 to 1, that will do anything you want it to do.
Yeah, I really like that. That is such a clever product. And we know how the Germans love a floor cleaner.
They really love a clean floor.
So factory floor cleaner as well.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
really, really clever product. Right, James, we're going to the snow foam now. Me and you like quite a bit of thick foam, don't we?
I do like a bit of thick foam, yes,
so
Steph.
We've gone a little bit over the top with this.
Yeah, we have. But
100 mil.
Don't tell the governor.
Green Star.
You're just going to add up a little bit more cleaning power in it, just to give it that little bit more kick. We really ain't going to need a lot in it. I should think that'll do it, mate.
Okay.
It's going to give it a bit of extra foam. It'll give it a bit of extra cleaning power. But again, we've had quick releases. One off, one on. Let's see how thick we've got our foam making today, mate.
There you go, sir.
These quick releases, they're great.
Yeah, straight on.
We may have overdone it a bit, Steph.